Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to discuss about armature reaction and commutation in DC machine. What is armature reaction? It will take place in the generator as well as in the motor. So armature reaction, we can say it is the effect of flux produced by armature conductor on the main field flux. This effect is known as armature reaction. Clear? Thus, the effect of armature MMF on the main field flux is entirely cross magnetizing. याद रखना यहाँ in case of DC machine, but in case of AC machine it may be cross magnetizing, it may be demagnetizing, it may be magnetizing. It depends on the load power factor. But in case of DC machine, it will always be cross magnetizing. Clear? So you can say this is the effect flux produced by armature conductor here, and this is the main flux, and this effect is known as cross. This is 90 degrees से out of phase है. That's why it is called as cross magnetizing. Clear? So I am going to explain this again by taking one more sheet here. Okay, let us say this is the north pole. Clear? And this is the south pole. Right? And here this is the armature conductor. Okay, here it is a conductor, two sides of a conductor. Clear? And this is current carrying conductor. So let us say it is cross and this is dot, current carrying conductor. Main flux leaves the north pole and enters at the south pole like that. Clear? Like this. This is the main flux. Okay. This is the main flux, leaves the north pole and enters at the south pole. And this axis, you can say here, this axis, this axis. This is axis is known as magnetic neutral. Okay, this axis is known as magnetic neutral axis, MNA. Okay, what is a magnetic neutral axis? It is a axis perpendicular to the main flux. It is called as axis perpendicular to main flux. This axis is known as MNA, and always brushes are here. Brushes will always be on the magnetic neutral axis. Always. Brushes will be right on the commutator, but it is on this axis. Right? So this is called as main axis, and this is the. Now suppose if you increase the load. So what will happen? Now here you can say this flux lines, you can say this flux distribution is symmetrical. You can say this flux distribution is symmetrical. Right? Now I have two cases. पहला case है I am increasing the load, and when you increase the load, clear, in case of motor, so I am taking a motor. Right? I am taking a motor. Let us say this is the north pole. This is the south pole. And sorry, I'm rubbing it. Sorry. This is the south pole we have, right? This is flux leaves the north pole and enters at the south pole, like this, flux leaving. Okay. Now what is happening? Here it is a conductor. This axis is known as MNA, magnetic neutral axis, right? Now, I am assuming this is a current carrying conductor. I am talking about the motor. Let us say it is a cross and this is the dot. So what will happen if it is a cross and dot? Clear? So flux leaves the north pole, enters at the south pole. It is a current carrying conductor like that. First finger, you can use the Fleming's left hand rule. First finger indicates the field. Second finger indicates the direction of current. Clear? Then thumb will show the direction of motion. So this conductor will experience the force in this direction, and rotor will start rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Rotor will rotate. So this is the north pole, this is the south pole, and rotor is rotating in this direction, right? Now, as you increase the load, what will happen? This is a current carrying conductor, and we know any conductor which carries the current, it will produce the flux around it, right? So this conductor will produce the flux around it, and the direction of flux will be given by right hand thumb rule. Thumb ko kya hai? Cross means away from us, right? Then all this curled finger indicates the flux produced around it. It is like that, like this, like this. And dot means current coming out, flux will be produced around this. Clear? So you can say main flux का direction क्या है? Main flux will be, main flux का direction क्या है? What is the main direction of main flux? In this direction. Okay? And flux produced by armature conductor will be in this direction, right? Like this. Like this. Right? This is phi A and this is phi M, main flux. Clear? So here main flux is in this direction like that, and this is the flux produced by armature conductor like this, phi A. Okay? Now because of resultant flux, in what is the resultant of that? What is the resultant of that? It is like this, and resultant will be like this, right? What is the resultant? Resultant like this. Okay? So this is called as phi R. Phi R. So main flux कैसे आ रहा है? ऐसे आ रहा था. It is like this, north pole to south pole. Then it will be tilted here in the air gap in the armature, and it will be like that. Clear na? Like that. Like this. So in the air gap here, flux we can say it is distorted. You can say it is not from north pole to south pole. Clear? यहाँ पर flux density will be increased on this tip, and flux density will increase on this tip. This will be, main flux will also be decreased and distorted, right? So this is happening in case of motor. Same thing will happen. अच्छा, अभी ये प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? मैग्नेटिक न्यूट्रल एक्सिस क्या होती है? आई टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी, परपेंडिकुलर टू द मैग्नेट main flux. अगर ये main flux यहाँ है एयर गैप में, तो magnetic neutral axis will be perpendicular to this. So magnetic neutral axis will be here, new MNA. Clear? So this will happen in case of motor. Now in case of generator will be same process, right? I'm going to discuss in case of generator. This is the north pole. This is the south pole. Here it is a conductor, armature conductor. Clear? And I'm assuming I'm rotating in this direction. So I'm generator है, so I'm rotating with the help of this generator. In this direction में rotate कर रहा है manually. Okay? So earlier it was the MNA earlier. Clear? MNA. magnetic neutral axis. Now this is the conductor. So by using the Fleming's right hand rule, first finger indicates the field, thumb shows the direction of motion in upward direction. Here at this end it is upward direction and it is downward direction. Okay, so क्या होगा, thumb will show, second finger will show the direction of EMF away from us. It is cross, यहाँ क्रॉस आएगा और यहाँ डॉट आएगा. Automatically that will be the result. Clear? And since it is, as you increase the load, that will become a current carrying conductor. It will produce a flux around it. That amount of that flux will also be increased. And according to right hand thumb rule, flux का direction क्या है? Current carrying conductor produce a flux around it, and it will be like that. Clear? So main flux will be here, phi m. Phi a will be here. And as you increase the load, phi a will increase, right? And resultant of this is what? Phi resultant. So in the air gap, main flux will be like this. Like this. So you will observe this flux lines will be in the air gap will be distorted. This effect is known as armature reaction. This effect is known as armature reaction, right? So now I told you already the axis perpendicular to the main flux is known as MNA. This new MNA, you will get new magnetic neutral axis you will get. Okay, so just based on that, I want to say the field flux entering the armature is not only shifted but also distorted. This flux जो flow हो रहा है, it is shifted as well as it is distorted. This distortion produces crowding of flux. इसको बोलते crowding of flux. Clear? Increase the flux density in upper tip in the end pole. You can say flux density यहाँ ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है. Increase in the flux density on the end pole. Clear? And on the increase in the flux density on the south pole. And on the upper tip पे और यहाँ पर down tip पे. Be careful about, right? So increase flux density in the tip in the end pole and lower pole tip. Upper pole tip here and the north pole and lower pole tip on the south pole. Clear? And resultant flux has shifted. Resultant flux you can say has shifted in the direction of rotation in case of generator. देखो in the direction flux shifted कहाँ हो रहा है? In the direction of rotation in the generator side. And in case of motor it is opposite to the motion. In case of generator, in the same direction of motion. In case of motor, you can say here it is opposite to the motor, right? Opposite to the direction of motion, right? Actually, increase in flux in one pole tip is less than the decrease in flux in the other pole tip. यहाँ ज़्यादा flux क्या हो जाएगा? Increase होगा और यहाँ decrease इनका कम होगा, right ना? So actually increase in the flux in one pole tip is less than decrease in flux in the other pole tip. So total flux decreases. Actually total flux क्या हो रहा है? Because of that reason it is decreases. Clear? Thus अगर E कम हो गया, flux E is proportional to flux. E equal to P phi Zn upon 60. अगर flux decrease हो रहा तो generated voltage will also be decrease. Hence generated voltage will be decreased as we increase the load. As we increase the load, phi A will बढ़ेगा. Phi A बढ़ेगा तो total phi will decrease. Total phi will decrease, so generated voltage will also be decreased. That may happen. Okay. So what are the effects? We'll discuss in the one slide, but I want to tell you E will decrease with the increase of load. As a load बढ़ेगा तो phi will decrease, so E will decrease. Okay, this effect is known as a demagnetizing effect. This effect is known as demagnetizing effect. Second effect क्या होगा? Shifting of magnetic neutral axis. You can say shift of the magnetic neutral axis. Clear? You can say here magnetic neutral axis यहाँ थी, अभी यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गई. So magnetic neutral axis कहाँ शिफ्ट हो रही है? In case of generator, in the same direction of, in case of generator, it is in the same direction of motion. But in case of motor, it is opposite to the motion. Be careful about it. Clear? Shifting of magnetic neutral axis in the direction of rotation in case of generator and against the direction of motion in case of motor. Clear? And because of shifting, the commutation problem will also be created. We'll discuss in the next slide what is a commutation problem, but this concept is there. What is a armature reaction called as? It is called as flux produced by armature conductor, and it will affect the main field flux, and this effect is will be always perpendicular to the main flux. That's why it is called as cross magnetizing effect in case of DC machine. Clear? So I'm going to discuss the next part here only. Okay. So this is armature reaction. The next part I'm going to discuss what are the effects of armature reaction. It decreases the efficiency of the machine. This is the first effect. More the load, more the effect of armature reaction, and will decrease the efficiency of the machine. Second effect, it produces sparking at the brushes. I will discuss spark. It will produce the sparking at the brushes, because what is happening? Brushes will be on the magnetic neutral axis. वो fix रहेगा, and जैसे ही आपका magnetic neutral axis shift हो जाएगा, sparking will start. Okay. Third, it produces the demagnetizing effect on the main poles. I have discussed in the last slide how it will produce a demagnetizing effect on the main poles. Why? Because as the effect of armature reaction is there, increase in the flux density on the one pole tip is less than the decrease in the flux density. That's why flux will decrease and it will produce a demagnetizing effect on the main poles. Next, it reduces the EMF induced. अगर ऐसा डीमैग्नेटाइजिंग इफेक्ट फ्लक्स कम होगा तो क्या होगा? E इक्वल टू क्या होता है? व्हाट इज E इक्वल टू? E इक्वल टू P phi Z N upon 60A. और अगर ये फ्लक्स डिक्रीज होगा तो E will also be decrease. Okay. And last effect क्या है? Self excited generator sometimes fails to build up the EMF. भाई EMF induce क्यों होता है? Because of self excitation or self mutual because of residual magnetism. अगर ये कम हो गया है, so obviously it will fail. Clear? So this may happen. The next part I want to discuss armature reaction remedies. What are the remedies? Brushes must be shifted to the new position of MNA. आपको मैंने बताया था आपका ब्रशेस, पहला कंडीशन क्या है कि ये आपका नॉर्थ पोल है, ये साउथ पोल है. दैट वाज द MNA अर्लियर. अभी हम अगर फ्लक्स ऐसे हो रहा है इधर इन दिस वे शिफ्ट हो रहा है तो MNA विल बी हियर, न्यू MNA न्यू. अगर आपने ब्रशेस यहां प्लेस कर दिए, clear? So this effect will be neutralized. Okay. So we have to shift the brushes. So brushes कहाँ placed रहते हैं? On the rocker arm. So आपको अगर ऐसा rocker arm करें, डिजाइन करें, that is a movable हो. So if you shift the brushes also, so this effect of armature reaction will be reduced. That is the remedy. Second, extra turns in the field winding. अगर आपने फील्ड वाइंडिंग में एक्स्ट्रा टर्न्स प्रोवाइड कर दिए तो मोर फ्लक्स विल बी देयर, मैन फ्लक्स, एंड इट विल डिक्रीज द इफेक्ट ऑफ आर्मेचर रिएक्शन. क्लियर? थर्ड रेमेडी क्या है? स्लॉट्स आर मेड ऑन द टिप्स टू इंक्रीज द रिलक्टेंस. आपने अगर ज्यादा रिलक्टेंस डेवलप कर दिया, सो it will be distributed uniformly. Slots are made on the tips to increase the reluctance. Next remedy क्या है? The laminated cores of the shoes are staggered. Okay. And last remedy क्या है? In big machines, the compensating winding at pole shoes produces a flux which just opposes the armature MMF. And okay, so we are going to provide the compensating winding, or you can say interpole winding. इंटरपोल वाइंडिंग कहाँ रहेगी? अपोजिट टू द that is the interpole winding कराएगी perpendicular to the two main poles. Okay, so interpole winding will decrease the effect of armature reaction. ऐसा कैसा कर सकते हैं? ये आपका main pole है north pole, this is the south pole, this is the current carrying conductor cross and dot, and flux will be like that. क्या है एक्चुअली? ये मेन फ्लक्स ऐसा है और phi a ऐसा है. अगर आपने यहाँ इंटरपोल वाइंडिंग, इंटरपोल्स आर प्रोवाइडेड कर दिए, इसके ऊपर जो वाइंडिंग रहेगी यहाँ पर, that winding called as interpole winding. Clear? It is, these poles are called as interpole. The size will be half of the main poles, and जो winding है वो series with the armature है. So it is provided in such a way, whenever the load will increase, phi a will increase, Ia will increase, so that will produce phi a. So interpole winding will also produce a flux, that phi I. In this winding will be provided in such a way, the phi I will be opposite to phi a, right? And this will neutralize the effect of phi a. So it will avoid the armature reaction. Clear ना? So ये जो है मेन इंटरपोल वाइंडिंग, ये मेन पोल्स के परपेंडिकुलर रहते हैं और वाइंडिंग इन सीरीज विद द आर्मेचर रहेगी, और ऐसा प्रोवाइड करते हैं वाइंडिंग की कि इट विल प्रोड्यूस अ फ्लक्स will be opposite to the phi a. Okay, so it will reduce the effect of armature reaction. Commutation, next part is a commutation. Actually I have to discuss this part later on, but here I want to tell you one thing only: the change in direction of current takes place when the conductors are along the brush axis. Sudden change of current in the armature winding. Clear? And because of that sparking will start, and that problem is called as commutation. So what is happening actually? I will discuss one more presentation, I will discuss later on. Clear? But I want to tell you just basic idea. This is the north pole, this is the south pole. Clear? Here this is the armature core, और यहाँ पर क्या है? क्रॉस 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 क्रॉस, डॉट 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 dot 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 dot. This is MNA. Okay, okay. Suddenly, so यहाँ पर आपका क्या है? That motor will rotate or generator is rotating, right? So main flux is like this. That is a phi a, and flux will be distorted here. ऐसा आएगा like this. Magnetic neutral axis will be shifted here. यहाँ पर क्या था? डॉट, और यहाँ पर क्या? क्रॉस है इधर. क्लियर ना? सडनली इस एक्सिस के इस साइड क्या हो जाएगा? ये डॉट होगा, एंड इस एक्सिस के इस साइड क्या होगा? क्रॉस. दैट इज अ सडन चेंज ऑफ करंट हियर इन दिस part, and because of that sudden change of the current, sparking will start. Clear? So this part is known as commutation, and we have to avoid it. We will discuss one more lecture later on commutation, because it is I had to discuss in details this part, but just I have given the idea what is a commutation. We will discuss in the next presentation. Okay, so I'm rubbing it. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.